Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a buffalo chicken pizza. All right, first thing we got to do is grill up some chicken. If this shot looks familiar, it's from the Chicken Alfredo pizza that premiered a couple of days ago. You will need to reference that video for the Alfredo sauce that I'm going to add a little bit later. But basically, I took 4 chicken breasts, cut them in half lengthwise, and a little bit of Lawry's seasoning salt and freshly ground black pepper, and then we're just going to grill them up on the grill. All right, let's move on. Okay, then in a pan over low heat, you want to add about 2 ladles full of our Alfredo sauce. Well, it looks like maybe 2.5. I don't know, probably somewhere between a 1.5 to 2 cups of Alfredo sauce. I just kind of eyeballed it. And then just going to eyeball in about a 1/4 cup of buffalo sauce. If you want to get specific, I use Frank's buffalo sauce. And then just grab a spoon, mix this around, and give this about, 10 minutes on the low heat just to give everything a chance to incorporate. All right, let's make a pizza. All right, now that we have our pizza dough stretched and ready to go, our oven preheated to 550 degrees or as high as your oven will let you go. Time to add our buffalo Alfredo sauce. Just want to kind of spread it all around the pizza here. And then you want to add our chicken that we grilled up and chopped up. And now you want to add some mozzarella cheese, a healthy amount. And then you just want to pop this into the oven for, somewhere between 10 and 15 minutes. Basically till the cheese is nice and melty and the edges are nice and golden brown. And thanks to the magic of cooking show editing, the pizza is done. I'm just kind of slicing it into slices here. And that's really it. So that's a buffalo chicken pizza. Done.